If you're watching, then you're probably looking for a mousepad. For the longest time, I haven't been using one. Yup, you heard me. Just raw mouse on tabletop action. I just felt like I didn't need one anymore. The desk was smooth enough and the tracking worked pretty well. That worked out for a little while, but then I got back into gaming. I had a large mousepad that I had put away a long time ago thinking, my gaming days are over. But I couldn't have been more incorrect. I couldn't find that particular mousepad, but I just knew that I needed one in order to get more consistent, precise movement. That's when I thought I should invest in a new gaming mousepad. To be fair though, this mousepad was sent to me courtesy of Hystar, so thank you so much and big shout out to them for providing me with one to use and test out. With that being said, everything that I say in this video are my own thoughts and opinions. There will be a link to their website in the description as always if you want to check out their products. Originally, I found about these mousepads during my mindless scrolling on TikTok. I remember watching a 4-part series about what sets their mousepad apart and how their mousepads are better than other brands, and that convinced me. Or at least, I knew that I had to get my hands on one to try out for myself. I'm not doing any sort of scientific testing in this video, so don't expect anything like that. I'm just going to be sharing my thoughts and opinions about this mousepad as a gamer and as someone who spends multiple hours every day at my desk. I really appreciate that for $30 you get a huge mousepad with an amazing unboxing experience. I don't think there's any other mousepads out there that provide this much bang for your buck. There's a bunch of different designs that you can choose from, but the one that I have is the Great Wave Dark. This is the large size which measures 900 by 400 millimeters or approximately 35 by 15.7 inches. Something that I noticed when I first took it out of the box was how hefty the mousepad weighs. It's thicker than any other mousepad that I've used at 5 millimeters. It's quite unique. It's not really spongy or cushiony, but it's not too firm either. It's really comfortable, but most importantly, it's going to give you a super consistent tracking experience. I've had very long gaming sessions with this mousepad and I have no complaints at all. It's very well made throughout, from the stitched edges, to the surface of the mousepad, to the rubber non-slip bottom that keeps the whole thing in place on your desk. This thing is going to stay planted even with those extremely fast 180 flicks. You may notice this little tag on the left side of the mousepad with their branding on it, and I'm not going to lie, it kind of annoys me at times. It's just a little flap that I accidentally brush against, and I have to keep putting it back down because it bothers me if it's sticking up. But it's not really in the way when gaming since I have my keyboard all the way on the top left corner of the mousepad anyways. In all honesty, this is legit the only nitpick of mine. It's not even a downside. This thing is gigantic, but it's perfect for someone like me that uses a lower sensitivity. I have a fairly long desk at 63 inches, and the mousepad covers a good portion of it. This is a plus in my eyes because the keyboard only takes a little portion of the mousepad, and I have more than half left for mouse movement. I personally think that this is a much better investment than those large dedicated mousepads that cost around the same price, if not a little bit more. My peripherals do kind of block the design, so that's why I like to put them away when I'm not using either of my laptops, for an overall cleaner look and so that I can admire the design. This is definitely a no-brainer. If you're looking for a new mousepad, this is one of the best, if not the best option out there. The only catch is that it's really tough to grab the more popular designs because they sell out very quickly, so you kind of have to check back frequently to see if they have them back in stock or not. But other than that, I can wholeheartedly recommend this mousepad. It's amazing quality for the price, you get an amazing unboxing experience, and while I can't really scientifically back up what they're claiming, it's definitely improved my aim as a gamer compared to my previous Surface. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.